Hi everybody, this is your last question, question number 5 on CR number 3 multiple choice. And here we go. It says the temperature inside a freezer is recorded as -4 degrees Celsius. The normal body temperature is 37 degrees. What is the difference between these two temperatures? All right, I'm going to start by drawing a number line. So here we go. I've got this number line going. Okay, and it's an ugly number line, but that's okay. I know that the freezer is recorded at -4. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to plot that point there. I'm going to plot a 0 here. And then I know the body temperature is 37 degrees. So I'm going to plot that up here. And it wants to know the difference between these two temperatures. Okay? So here's the thing. I want to know how many jumps it's going to take. And let me change colors. To get from this point on my number line at -4 to this point on my number line, which is 37. Well, you all know that it's going to take 4 jumps to go from -4 to 0. So already I have 4 jumps. Then I'm going to go another 37 jumps to get to the temperature of a normal body. So if I take 4 jumps and I add 37 more jumps, well, guess what? I have a total of 41 jumps. And the distance between two numbers is always positive. Distances are always positive. So my answer would be here, C, 41 degrees Celsius. Good luck with this one.